welcome back. I had many times to think about getting used cars, and yeah, for me I like that it's not a lot of shit all around. But then things are dirty, some other but look here, the gear knob is very, very bad. Some people are scratching up the steering wheels a lot. Here also is something I have to look at. This is supposed to be silver. It's more or less scratched off, dragged off all the plastic. Should think they were scared and holding for dear life. They're kind of crazy on the driver's side door. Also like this. This is not pretty. The rest in here is actually nice. This looks like shit. I was just looking around, and as usual you find a lot of things if you start looking, and it was not expensive either. This also I found on the AliExpress, like a lot of things, because eBay has started to be expensive. Here, completely new gear knob. And I found it with the silvery on the top and black as the one we've seen there, but I think this one, black with silvery writing, looks very nice. Let's see if we get the camera right here. Gear knob. See here too, worn out on here. Didn't see it right away, but on the back side looks like shit. See, this one I maybe could have taken out quite easy too and cleaned it. I can see when it starts to be warm in the weather, because I have to do a lot of other servicing on this car. It's a 2007, was it? Toyota Auris. But this is on a lot of cars. It's just screwed on. And look at the ugly one there compared to a new one. Everything looking nice. Look at this one compared to this. Cost me 100 Norwegian kroners more or less, with transportation and everything. But you see, things like this, things you're feeling and holding and looking. On the old one you couldn't see which gear you were supposed to go on things. Here, cheap. Simple fix. And for me, absolutely a red flag in a car. If that one is dirty and steering wheels are torn up and things. Inside a car is supposed to be a nice place to be. Even a lot of the new cars I don't like, because they only have the LCD screens. This one has nice instrumentation. Has a nice setup here with temperature up and down and things straight with buttons. No LCD screens to make you crazy. Yeah, so it's just a nice place to be. You see, cheap, simple fix to make your car looks a little nicer. So please come back, please follow the channel and put a like if you like the video. Yeah, thank you. Start subscribing, will be very nice. It's coming more about this Toyota Auris and all the other Toyotas. I have a lot of them, many, and many others too. So thank you.